How to combine multiple tabs of data into a single sheet. Let's say you have data in terms of so many columns and so many tabs, but the column names are same. Example, this has so many tabs, you can see. Now how can we combine everything into a single sheet? Let's first copy the column name into a single sheet and let's type this formula where equal to sort filter vstack the tab name, in this case R10-1, till which tab we want to do R40-3, and we need to see which rows we want to copy from A2 up till G50, and we do the same thing one more time, and we don't want any blanks, and we want to sort in ascending order for column 4 and descending order for column 7. That's 1 and -1. Now if I press enter, the data is fully available into a single sheet.
Follow Computer Geeks for more website hacks.